Hello, my name is Adrienne Hahn of the Hahn Legal Group. If you're considering starting a remodel project or a tenant improvement, or you're in construction right now, there's three important factors I'd like you to consider during COVID-19. My first point is that in different counties, there's different measures that have been enacted, and it's important that you know them before or during your project. In Los Angeles, for example, there's a lot of rules regarding people being 6 feet apart from each other during construction, wearing masks, staggering crews, stations where the workers have constant access to being able to wash their hands, and access to sanitary bathrooms. What's really important is that you understand you have the right to demand a supervisor be present at all times to make sure that these contractors are following these rules, or you're putting yourself, your family, your coworkers, and even the contractors at risk. You need to be able to talk to your general contractor, to the project manager, or to the foremans about these issues. The second point I'd like to discuss with you is what if you need to have an inspection in your construction site? It's very important that you continue to follow all the protocols required by the county and by the state. But let's say you need to have various contractors on site. You need to have inspectors on site. Can you control how many are there? Can you require that they be tested? Can you require that they show you their testing results? What controls can you have? It's very important to follow all of the new COVID-19 restrictions before scheduling any of these site inspections. The third point I'd like to discuss, which is by far not the least important, is what happens if one of your workers becomes ill or tests positive. Now you're facing a whole host of other laws and rules about what can be done on the construction site. For one, anyone who's tested positive or has a fever cannot be on your site for a minimum of 24 hours, and if they have the virus, a minimum of 10 days from the time they got tested. What happens to the other workers on the site? Does everybody have to go home? Do we have only certain workers who have to quarantine? Is there a regulation regarding how far they worked from the ill worker to make this determination? There are a lot of rules you need to be concerned about before you continue having an open construction project. If you are watching this video, I know you are really concerned about safety on your project, about your family, about coworkers, and about the construction crews. It's very important that you contact someone who can respond immediately and take your concerns seriously. My name is Adrienne Hahn. We'd be more than happy to help you because we deal with these situations all the time. Please call us.